Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through a beautiful set of fancy soft silk sarees. In this collection, unique embossed design is running throughout the body part with a contrast or running pallu and blouse. The pretty borders in this set, we have used copper, golden and silver zari woven patterns. All these sarees are light in weight and comfortable to wear, and it be a perfect choice for gifting purpose. This beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 600 rupees only, along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For making orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links are given in the description. Please avoid direct calls. Do communicate through the given WhatsApp. And please note, our payment mode is through online only. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Even you can join our WhatsApp group for quick updates. The link is given in the description. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.